Writing newsletter content faster with AI is something that can seriously save you time and effort, whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just looking to streamline your content creation process. Today, we're going to break down how you can speed up the process and keep your newsletter engaging using AI tools. First off, AI is fantastic for generating ideas when you're feeling stuck. You can simply input your topic, and it'll give you a list of potential headlines or article angles. You won't spend time brainstorming, which is a huge win when you're on a tight deadline. Next, the AI can draft your content based on your prompts. You can give it a brief outline or a few bullet points, and it'll generate a full paragraph or more of readable text. This can work for any section of your newsletter, whether it's the intro, a product description, or a detailed update. The software we'll be using makes this process fast, efficient, and incredibly easy to tweak afterward. One of the best features is that AI allows you to maintain a consistent tone across your newsletters. It can learn your preferred style and voice, so each piece of content you create sounds like it came directly from you, no matter how many newsletters you write in a month. This consistency is key to building trust with your readers. And let's talk about editing. AI software can be a great assistant when it comes to polishing your work. After you've written the first draft, it can help with grammar, structure, and flow, making sure your content is clean and ready for publishing without spending hours going over each sentence. When you're ready to write your call to action, the software can help you craft a compelling one that's aligned with the goals of your newsletter. AI doesn't just help with content generation, it also boosts your ability to persuade and get your audience to take action. For those of you who want to follow along, the software we're using today has an exclusive free trial, only available to viewers of my channel. The link is in the description below. You can start using the software to boost your productivity today, and it's easy to follow along with this tutorial to get your first newsletter done faster. Now, here's the key takeaway from this video. AI can drastically speed up your newsletter writing process by generating ideas, drafting content, maintaining your voice, and helping with editing. AI tools take the hassle out of writing. With the right software, you can save time, improve quality, and keep your readers engaged. To quickly recap, we talked about using AI for generating ideas, drafting content, maintaining consistency, editing, and creating powerful calls to action, all of which contribute to writing newsletter content faster. Don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial in the description if you want to try it out yourself. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments how AI has helped you write faster. Thanks for watching.